Meet Baba. Like millions of Kenyan drivers, he bought basic third-party insurance. He did it quickly, mostly to bypass police checks and keep his car on the road legally. But then, the unexpected happens. A crash. And Baba is at fault. This is where he discovers that third-party cover only protects the other guy. Because he caused the accident, his insurance company steps in and pays every single cent for their damage and their medical bills. But what about Baba's own car? For his own repairs? He gets exactly 0 shillings. Instead, he has to completely empty his own hard-earned savings just to fix his own ride. Think about it. The traffic fine you are trying to avoid is absolutely nothing compared to the massive out-of-pocket cost of a crash. Most drivers on our roads are dangerously underinsured. If you'd struggle to replace or repair your vehicle out of pocket, comprehensive insurance may be worth considering. It can cover your own vehicle against accidents, theft, fire, and more, depending on the policy. Don't just insure to pass a police check, insure to protect your hard-earned cash. Upgrade your cover today.